Great to see you here again. My name is Luc de Kuster, founder of the Kuster Academy, and in this next video we're going to look at the Agile development cycle. It's very important to understand how this cycle works because it's the way we drive Agile projects. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. So let's have a look at the phases in the Agile development cycle. Now there are 6 phases that will be applied in a flexible way. They don't have to be in order, they can be in different orders, but basically we are always using those 6 phases in Agile projects. The first one is planning. Viable ideas are planned by the project team. They identify the features, prioritize the features, and assign them to an iteration. Now, the prioritization is very important because these can change, but also the features that we need can be changed during the process. Then we have the requirements analysis. The key stakeholders and the users meet to determine quantifiable, relevant, and detailed business requirements. It's very important to understand what these business requirements are. And like businesses may change when you have a different environment, of course, the requirement analysis becomes very important because we may have to review those requirements. Then we go to design. And once we have the requirements, we find how the solution or the product should look like. Now, we have to test and determine a plan to proceed. The design is very important, so we can also again adjust the design when the requirements change. The next step or phase is the implementation, coding, and development. Coding or developing features have to be completed. We have to schedule iterations for deployment because every time we want to have a working product. Testing, every time we have some work that is completed, we have to test it to be sure that it complies with the needs of the customer. Testing includes unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. We have to be sure that what we created complies with the requirements. And the last step is the deployment. We deliver the finalized product or part of the product to the customer. The customer can use it and identify issues that have to be adjusted or improved in the follower iterations. When we talk about Scrum, these iterations are sprints. The advantage here is that the customer sees a working product and can evaluate how this product complies with the requirements, with their ideas, with their business ideas. They can find out what is not optimal, and we can define how to adjust it in the next iteration. So this is everything about the 6 phases in the Agile development cycle. It's very important to take those into account when we are working in an Agile environment, and every Agile methodology has its specific way to deal with this. That was it for this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. I thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next videos. Thank you and bye-bye.